Hello everybody, we have the new SCUF Reflex and we're going to give this thing a test on Apex Legends. I've already remapped the buttons to how I like it. So this side I have X and box, on this side I have circle and square. So that's how I like to map mine. I don't know how you like to map yours, but they got this new character here. We're gonna just go ahead and go into the firing range and give this one here a try and see how well it performs. I mean, I like the grippiness of it. It has good grip. The buttons are okay. I don't like how the sticks feel. The sticks feel kind of cheap to me. For an expensive controller, they don't, I don't know, something's weird about the way the sticks feel. Okay, I'm just trying to get a feel for it. So, I mean, the buttons feel good. I don't even know what this character does. Let's see this.
Here's their defenses.
Okay. What's the feel of the controller? I think it feels good. I mean, everything seems to be working well. The position of all four buttons feel great.
Form from eye.
Yeah, the buttons feel very good. I don't like how the sticks feel kind of cheap, like, you know, like they don't. The controller has weight to it. The controller has weight to it. The sticks feel like they're really light and kind of cheap feeling. I don't know. That's the only thing on the controller that feels kind of cheap to me. So I don't know if like the budget wasn't in to make like a little bit better sticks. I think the sticks on the aim feel better. You know, I do have some rubber pads that I could take off and probably. Wait, no, that's not these controls. These, right? No, I don't have it on these. So yeah, these sticks actually feel better than these sticks. And I thought I had put like a rubber, you know, cap on it, but I didn't. So I don't know. They feel kind of cheapish, cheaply made. I don't know. But other than that, everything feels great. We're gonna just have to work this out and see how, you know, how well it does. over the next 2 months, because I had my previous SCUF for 2 months and it broke. The real test will be longevity. I mean, everything's very responsive. It feels great. I probably can adjust some of my settings. I'll have to look at that later. But for the most part, the controller feels good. I just don't know how well it will last, and that's what I'm worried about, because my last one didn't last very long. So time will tell whether or not the SCUF Reflex, is a good controller or not. From the reviews I saw, they say it's better than previous controllers that they've made for the PlayStation, so we'll see, but time will tell. So till the next one, y'all, you know, I'm out.